Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys saw the title, you already know we are playing with the new ColourPop Barbie collab. And when I saw it come out, I was like, do I need another ColourPop eyeshadow palette? Yes, absolutely. I loved playing with my Barbies growing up. I had tons of them, including the holiday Barbies that only came out like, was it once a year? But I don't know, I actually don't know what happened to my Barbies. I went off to the Navy and now I can't find them. So don't have my Barbies anymore, but I guess my eyeshadow palette will have to do. If you saw this online or on the ColourPop website, it's just a bunch of bright, fun colors. And I was just kind of like, this is gonna be a lot of fun. So that is what we were playing with today. ColourPop eyeshadow palette. There's a highlighter. There are 3 lipsticks, 3 lip liners. I got the false eyelashes, but they weren't my vibe today. My allergies have been acting up and my eye has been watering right here. And I was just kind of like, if I try and go and do eyelash glue, like it might just pop off in the middle. And I was just like, we'll save those for another day. I have plenty of other videos that I can do and use a false eyelash with. But you guys, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications to new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see how we got this very bright, like Barbie inspired eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, I have my eyes primed with the P. Louise base as per usual. And we are using the Barbie ColourPop Malibu Barbie eyeshadow palette. Now, I was just playing with this for a minute just to kind of get an idea of what I wanted to use. So I'm gonna use this yellow, go into this orange shade SoCal, and then I wanna do the pink. So I did just swatch them just to kind of see like how they meld together. So I think for the crease, I wanna start out with the shade Let's Go Party, which, why am I all of a sudden thinking of the Barbie Girls song? Anyways, I'm gonna put Let's Go Party, which has this really cool like rainbow press in there. I'm gonna put that in the crease. And I'm just using a Sigma E25 for blending. We're gonna build up. So we're gonna start out with the shade West Coast, this yellow right here. Place that on the eyelid, then we'll go and build with the orange and then put the pink on top of that. See if we can get it to do that. So I'm just gonna start in the middle. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the shade SoCal. Place that kind of in the outer V area and into the crease a little bit. Then I'm gonna go into the shade Best Coast and add that right here in the outer V. So it gave me kind of like that sunset vibes gradient, which is fine, except I feel like they worked better when I just applied them with my fingers. I mean, makeup can be finger paints too. Which one's yellow? This one's yellow. This one's the orange. And then this one's the pink. Now I do want to, now that I have all these fingers, and I'm gonna need them for this eye, I don't want to, maybe I need to use this ring finger. Which shimmer? I want to try Shine On. Ooh, that is really pretty. And I think I want to place that just right here. I don't want to go all the way over. I just want to give it that shine right in this corner, but still keep that yellow, orange, and pink gradient that I have. Let's try it. This is weird because I don't usually use my left hand for makeup application. So this shade Shine On is really pretty. I don't know, it feels like it's one of the like Super Shock eyeshadows, and it picked up pretty good with a brush. I'm gonna go back into Let's Go Party, which is that peachy shade. I just want to toss that in the crease above the hot pink that I just tossed in there. Okay, let me go do this eye, some face makeup, and then I'll be right back. Okay, let's finish off this eye look because I do have a highlighter, lipsticks, lip liners that are also in this collection. So I'm thinking under the eye, I'm gonna go full-blown Barbie and use this teal shade, which is Malibu Memories, and then I'm gonna put this shade Surfs Up over it. So I just wanna use a really tiny like pencil brush. This is the E30 from Sigma, and I just wanna place it under the eye and then put the Surfs Up shade on top of it. Yeah, definitely some Barbie vibes going on here. Nothing in this outer V going into the under eye is gonna be cohesive because they're not even the same shade. There's no neutral shades here. There's just bright pops of neon. So I'm just gonna grab my Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers. Oh yeah, you guys, that shade, whoa, what a difference. If you can't have fun with makeup, why are you wearing it? All right, so I'm going to use the highlighter that is in this collection for my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit because we also got some cheeks to pop it on. Okay, so this is the ColourPop and Barbie highlighter. This is a Super Shock highlighter in the shade Beach Party, which I love the Super Shock highlighters. Oh, you guys. So beautiful. Usually they go on with a brush. So I'm just gonna grab my L16 from Laura Lee. Why did I say it kind of like a rhyme? So I was trying to put it on with the brush and it just didn't seem to be doing the same effect as it did with my pinky finger. Barbie vibes are strong. All right, highlighter and brush. Ooh, see, it went on with this brush. This highlighter, like, do you need this much highlighter? No, but like, it's good. And I like that there's a mirror in here. So like, even when the highlighter runs out, which I don't think I'm ever gonna run out of a highlighter this size, but it's good for travel as far as like I'm concerned. Now, there are some lip liners and lipsticks in this collection. I want to swatch them for you guys real quick, and then I'll go do my eyeliner, mascara, and probably just do my lips off camera because y'all know it takes me forever. So there's these 3 shades, and first off, can we appreciate this packaging? Like, there's Barbie's face on it. It's just so cute. And then of course there are 3 lip liners. I appreciate that there are some neutral shades and then a very bright pop of magenta. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch the liners first. They take up less space. And we will start with the shade, where is it? Golden Beach. Oh, that shade is really pretty. The next shade is Dreamhouse, which I never had a Barbie Dreamhouse. I had the Barbie convertible. Ooh. So Dreamhouse is more of the pinky neutral shade. And then the next one is Malibu Sunset, and it's more of that like magenta shade. So it's that one right there. And I think for me, I'm actually gravitating towards Golden Beach only because this eye look is intense. I'm just saying. All right, now let's go with, so the first lipstick, this is Golden Beach. Like, it even says Barbie on the lipstick. I don't know if it's showing up, but there it is. Then the next one is Dreamhouse. The shade right there. And then last but not least, Malibu Sunset, which is a really pretty shade. I just don't think it's the color suited for this eye look. So I'm gonna go do eyeliner, mascara, and then put on this one, Golden Beach, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I'm in love with this look. I feel like I was kind of like second guessing my decision to add this teal down here, but I have to remember, once you put on eyeliner and mascara, it can definitely change the look. And I feel like it definitely completed it. I had a lot of fun creating this. I do have some thoughts though. So I think the next time if I were to recreate this look, with this palette, I love the ColourPop formula. I love the eyeshadows. Yes, they can be powdery. I'm not worried about that because I'm more worried about like how it performs on the eyes. Now, I did have some issues where like I'm sure if you saw in the beginning when I was trying to apply like the orange and the pink, I probably wouldn't have gone in and like put the yellow all over the eye. Maybe next time I would just put the pink on, then the orange on, then the yellow. Usually I do like all over the eye, then add in steps. But I feel like with this formula, you kind of needed, or even just these colors, that to get the payoff I wanted, I needed to just kind of stamp it in and then blend it out. And it worked a lot better once I put it on with my finger, more like a finger paint, if that makes sense. It did end up getting to where I wanted it. It just gives you that really pretty like pink sunset vibes. And then of course, what is it? The blue Barbie eyeliner that we're used to. If you played with Barbies, I think you know what I'm talking about. But I always remembered like Barbie having like crazy blue eyeliner or eyeshadow. I don't know. I don't have my Barbies anymore. I actually don't know whatever happened to them. But I used to love playing with my Barbies. I even had like some of the holiday Barbies that were gifts. Anyways, I do like the lip liner and the lipstick. I love, one of my favorites that I've been using is the ColourPop lip liner in Obvi. It's been one of my favorites lately. I've been using that one up, but like lip liner, lipsticks from ColourPop, so good, so creamy, just feel great on the lips. I like this color Golden Beach because it's kind of like your lip color, but better. And with such a bright eye look, I feel like the lips needed to be a little more neutral, which I'm good with. I did have the lashes from the collection, and I'm just not feeling lashes today. It's kind of like what happened with the Bambi collection where I had the lashes and I didn't use them. These are the doll lashes, which they look fairly neutral, like I say neutral, toned down would be my like description of them. They're not like super dramatic like some of the eyelashes that are out there. My eye has been bothering me because my allergies, so I didn't really want to try and put false eyelashes on today with some glue and then they just start popping off. Not my thing today, but maybe in another video I will try them out, just kind of like what I did with the Bambi ones. Anyways, there was also the ColourPop Barbie mirror. I don't know that I need another mirror, but this is good for travel. Like it's super small. I could pop this in my makeup bag, but it got the job done. I didn't have to have my like other handheld mirror the whole time. And that's it for this video, you guys. I really like this collection. It really brought back some like nostalgic memories. I miss playing with Barbies. Can I say that? Sometimes I miss being a kid, like that carefree moment where you don't have to adult. You don't have to worry about bills, like just carefree. Sometimes I wish I could just go back. But anyways, you guys, that's it for this look. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until next time, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in the next one.